Another fine vehicle offered by Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep.
This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to an automatic transmission, is solid and dependable. This Chevrolet features cruise control, power windows, a DVD video player, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, 3-point rear seat belts, and it's easy to see why this automobile is an excellent choice. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep is located at 4101 South Tacoma Way in Tacoma. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.
We're back in town. The new Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep, conveniently located at 38th and South Tacoma Way. More than 400 new Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles available. We've got your Ram Tough trucks. If you want a Wrangler, we've rounded them all up. We're so big, we've got over 30 Dodge Challengers. We've got 0% financing or get huge immediate rebates.